Now, these are places where you can use Spiltit. Online stores partnering with Spiltit. That's the first place you can use Spiltit. So this is the primary way you use Spiltit. Many e-commerce websites have integrated Spiltit into their checkout process. You will see it as a payment option alongside credit cards and other methods. Some examples of merchants that have partnered with Spiltit include MyProtein, House of Bling, Sundays, Canyon Bicycles, and Simba Sleep. Now keep an eye out for the Spiltit option when you're checking out online. The next place you can use Spiltit is potentially in store. That is less common. While their roots are in e-commerce, Spiltit is expanding, so some physical stores that offer buy now, pay later options might also use Spiltit. This often involves the store associated initiating the Spiltit payment plan. Then the third place you can get it is through payment link. Some merchants might send you a direct payment link via email or SMS that include the Spiltit as an option.